In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Mailchimp account. Whether you're tidying up your digital presence, moving to a new email marketing service, or simply taking a break from email marketing for a while, it's important to know how to properly close out your Mailchimp account to ensure your data is securely handled. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to make sure you understand everything involved in this important decision. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Mailchimp login page. This is where your journey to delete your account begins. Once there, you're going to be prompted to enter your username or email. This should be the email or username you've used to register with Mailchimp. It's the key to unlocking access to your account, so make sure you've got it correct. Next, it's time to enter your password. This step is crucial for verifying that you have the authority to make changes to the account, including deleting it. Make sure you type your password accurately to avoid any unnecessary hiccups in the login process. Once you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click on the login button. This action will grant you access to the main dashboard of your Mailchimp account, bringing you one step closer to the account deletion process. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp homepage. Here you need to locate your profile at the top right corner of the page. Your profile is your portal to accessing personal and account settings, including the option to delete your account. After clicking on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Profile. This will take you to a page where you can view and edit your personal information. However, our focus is on navigating towards the account settings to initiate the closure of your account. On the profile page, look for the Settings option, which will lead you to the more technical aspects of your account management. Once in the Settings menu, you're going to want to click on Manage My Plan. This area of your account is typically where you would adjust your subscription details, but it's also where you can begin the process of account deletion. Finally, after navigating through your plan options, you'll find the option to permanently delete my account. Clicking on this link is a big step. It's the beginning of the end for your account. You'll likely be asked to confirm your decision, as deleting your account is irreversible. This means all your data, subscribers, and campaign information will be wiped clean from Mailchimp's servers. Before you take this final step, it's worth pausing to ensure you've backed up any important information you may want to keep. Have you saved your subscriber lists? Archived your campaigns? Once you delete your account, there's no going back, so double check you've saved everything you need. After confirming your decision to proceed, follow any additional prompts Mailchimp provides to permanently delete your account. This process may include a feedback form where Mailchimp asks why you're leaving. Your input can be valuable feedback for them, but it's optional. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated through the process of deleting your Mailchimp account. While it might feel bittersweet to say goodbye, cleaning up your online presence or making a move to a service that better fits your needs is always a step forward. Remember, the digital world is always evolving, and there are plenty of tools and services out there to explore. Whether you're continuing your email marketing journey elsewhere or taking a break, what matters most is finding the right solutions for your unique needs. That wraps up our guide on how to delete your Mailchimp account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy emailing!